The people closest to you are probably the reason you haven't started yet. And I don't mean they're bad people. I mean they're the wrong people to be asking. Most people, when they get an idea, a business idea, something they want to build, the first thing they do is tell someone close to them, a friend, a partner, a family member. And that person will do one of two things. They'll either get excited with you, which feels good, but gives you nothing useful. Or they'll start asking questions that sound like concern, but are really just fear dressed up as wisdom. But what if it doesn't work? Do you really have time for that? There's a lot of people already doing that. Sound familiar? That's not advice. That's somebody else's anxiety being handed to you as if it's yours to carry. Here's what I want you to understand. The people around you, the ones giving you that feedback, they're not judging your idea, they're judging it through their own fears. They've never built a business. They've never taken that kind of risk. So when they see you about to do something they've never done, something that feels uncertain, their instinct is to protect you. Which really means protect themselves from watching you fail. That's not malicious, but it is useless to you. There is only one group of people whose opinion about your business actually matters. And that's the people who are going to pay for it. Customers. Not your friends. Not your family. Not the people in your group chat. The strangers who don't know you, don't owe you anything, and still decide your product or service is worth their money. That's the validation that means something. Everything else, it's just noise. Feedback from non-buyers is just noise with a familiar voice. I've seen people with genuinely good ideas, solid ideas, real market opportunity, talk themselves out of it in a single conversation. One evening with the wrong person and 6 months of thinking becomes nothing. That's not a small thing. That's the cost of who you choose to share your vision with before it's strong enough to survive doubt. Some ideas need to be protected early on, like a fire when it's just a spark. You don't hand it to someone standing in a draft. So what do you do instead? It's simple. Stop seeking approval and start seeking information. Go find 5 people who would actually be your customer. Not to sell to them yet, just to ask questions. Ask them about the problem you're trying to solve. Listen to how they describe it. That conversation is worth 10 times any opinion from someone who loves you but wouldn't buy from you. And if you can't find 5 people who have the problem, then maybe that's the real feedback you needed. I'm not telling you to cut people off. I'm not telling you your friends and family don't matter. They do. I'm just telling you, there are different conversations for different people. And the conversation about whether your business idea is worth pursuing, that one doesn't belong at the dinner table. Protect your vision, choose your audience carefully, and build first, explain later. That's it from me. If that hit different, you know what to do.